Hi Merseybeat lovers. A few years ago we went to the garden city of Singapore, and so we made a little video of our trip there, so I thought you might like to see it. Taking a bit of time out to chill out in one of our favourite places when we come to Singapore is Fort Canning Park. Fort Canning old colonial park, and have a bit of time out, a bit of nature.
But we're taking time out to come back here because this is one of the very first places we came when we first visited in 2003. So it's a nice place to come to, and it means a lot to us, seeing it was our first ever visit to Singapore. Oh, it's the baby merlion. It's the little baby merlion. It's tiny, isn't it?
Yes. It's tiny.
Raining, absolutely raining, and I mean rain, real rain, heavy rain, not like rain in the UK, but pissing rain.
So, where are we, Cass?
We've come to Gardens by the Bay today, which is a man-made garden designed area with a cloud dome, flower dome, these really tall sculptural super trees which are lit up at night as well. There's about 6 different gardens within the area here. It's just hot at the moment. I can feel the heat bouncing off my head. But it's wonderful, it's lovely wildlife everywhere, dragonflies, bees, butterflies. It's fabulous. We're now on the skywalk, which is elevated up off the main garden site and takes you through the super tree canopy. And you can see a nice view of around the business district and over onto the Singapore Straits.
It's like this beautiful garden by the bay area, which is going to take us an incredible full day to explore. It's just an amazing place. I've never seen anything, there's nowhere like this on earth. It's incredible. Incredible place. Beautiful city, Singapore.
Yeah, enjoying it here.
Pretty good. Videoing.
Yeah. You're in the clouds, aren't you, mate? You haven't stopped smiling since you come here.
I have.
When?
When you just walked up to me now. What do you want? Thought I'd lost you.
I want a bit of point of view from you.
I thought I'd lost you.
You'll never lose me, babe.
No, that's the problem.
You're
That
still
is the
smiling
problem.
though.
That is the problem.
Hey.
Hey, here we go into the clouds. Look at this. Look at it. What's it like at your end? Is it spitting? It's lovely here. You're in the clouds. Don't drop that, will you? No. Don't drop that down there. Whatever you do.
Go on, keep walking. I'll meet you on the other side. Bye-bye. Hello.
Thank you.